Yo, what's up? My name T. This is Stunt Channel. This is my intro video. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm gonna be doing on my YouTube channel, like what it's all about. So starting off, the YouTube channel is gonna be about cars, mainly me fixing cars, my cars mainly. Other stuff, road stuff, like, videos, dash cam footage, stuff like that. I do have interviews lined up, some nice cars, my club members, stuff like that. So, not saying too much, we just gonna show y'all what I got and what's gonna be on the channel. This is my 2004 mazdaspeed Miata. I really like this car. It's tiny, a little quick. It ain't the fastest car, but it's quick. Inside look good. Some few incidents. Got it looking a little bit on the outside. So I'm gonna do the tour. Okay. So this is my Miata. Little things on it. Okay. Some little things on it. Nice tab. Interior's nice. Just needs to get cleaned out a little bit. Man, explain this too, and that. But then we gonna jump into the other one. We got two miatas. This one is 2001 LS. Well, things. This one has a lot of miles, and as you can tell, it is. Yeah, I ain't gotta say too much, but it's getting used still. Interior still nice. Still has this original steering wheel. Okay, thought I'd finish the video. So the intro video, all that stuff. The videos maybe a month and a half apart. So I'm gonna show y'all the other cars right now while it ain't raining. It's hard. Every time I try to come out here and do this, it's raining. So here we go. This is my 95 Acura Integra. This one has a lot of miles, like 300 something thousand miles on it. So the plan is to do a engine swap on it. Okay. Okay, so this, get into the interior. I mean, it's not bad. I've seen worse, but I do need to get out here and, I need to do something with it, really. So that's the stuff from the trunk. Blah blah blah. I believe it's a 5-speed. Yeah, okay, yeah. So it actually says the miles on there. 342,000 miles. Yeah. So that's this one. That's that one. I think in one of the videos there was a GS 300 in the video. The reason why I didn't show that one That's not my car, that's my girlfriend's car. And then we have over here, this is hers too. Since I said that one, put this one. This got transmission too. Blew the motor on this one. It still starts up and drives and stuff, but you know, it got major rod knock in it. Okay. And then this one is my brother's car. You know, this is my brother's car. Very low mileage on this one. I think this one has under 50,000 miles on it. And then what the fuck is that on the ground? And then this one right here is my baby right here. So we got the 740. This is a 95 V8. The interior as well is nice. I'm learning how to do custom interior work, so you know, these cars right here, they gonna get major work done, exterior, interior, engine work. Yeah, so they gonna get their major work. Looking at the camera, you got the kitties, you got the kitty. Yeah, so they gonna get major work done to them. Okay, the reason why my intro video is so spaced out is because unfortunately I didn't have a way to post videos, so I wasn't really worried about how long it took me to do them, because I knew I had like days or whatever, find a way to put them up, whatever. So that and weather out here in California has been like a little on the sucky side in the beginning of the year. And also I have a car that's not here, which is my baby. I don't think I'm gonna say what kind of car it is. I just will say it's the oldest car I have. It's a 78. It has been, the engine's been completely rebuilt. Basically race car. Yeah, but I'm not gonna give it up yet until I actually put it out on the video or get it over here with all my other cars. So